when did things really start clicking for you? Do you remember like the moment when things really started clicking and like, you know, what was the difference between going from like, yeah, $1,500 a month to over $8,000 last month? What was kind of the big difference in that?
There's a few things. One of the biggest one is the quality of people that I'm working with throughout the whole process, making all those books. I've had some bad hires, people who
Mhm,
were not really great when it comes to what they were doing. Uh, the biggest click has been treating it as a real business, man. Because at the very beginning,
mhm.
yeah, I knew it was a business, but I wasn't really making money, so it wasn't super real to me yet, right?
Right.
And then December came through. We made, I think December last year, we made $4,200, which that was the highest month ever. I'm like, wow, man, 4,200,
Mhm,
right? And I'm like, okay, man. So, this thing is real.
mhm.
I've seen what other people have been able to do with this. Let me not let me stop goofing around with it and actually take it serious. And what I mean by that is sitting down with my wife and coming up
Mhm.
with a plan. Like, okay, we're wrapping up 2025, we're going to 2026. We've seen what's possible with this business, right? What can we do differently next year so we can get better results, right? And with us being parents, we have kids activities, there's so much that we have to do in a regular basis outside of business and going to work. So it was really locking in with my wife and be like, hey, do you trust me? Yes. All right. So let's figure out a game plan on where, maybe you can help if you can, but this is what I want to accomplish in 2026. So let's see what we can do, what we need to do to make that happen.
Mhm.
And it's holding each other accountable. So like a good
Love
example
it.
is with with our regular schedule we have
Mhm.
turns to put the kids down every single day, right?
Yeah,
I've told my wife, like, hey, look, I'll be working on the business, right? I'll be either,
yeah,
working on something or whatever the case is. So if you can put the kids down every day, I would appreciate that. But here's the thing: if you see me locking around, not doing
yeah.
anything, call me out on it. And guess what? I'm gonna do it for a whole week, and you're gonna take a break, right? So I think about that. And I'm like, okay, if I just get home, yeah, hang out with the kids, and then when time for business comes, I have to do something.
Yeah,
If I don't do it,
yeah,
I know that okay, not that I don't want to put my kids down every single day, but we also have goals that we have to accomplish, and my
yeah.
wife is willing to sacrifice that time, and I'm willing to
That's
put in the
awesome.
time. So it's only stupid for me not to do it. So it was really getting organized, getting a plan, right? There's a saying that you almost have to begin with the end in mind. Like, okay, what's the
Yep,
end, and then let's work backwards and figure out what's going to take for us to get to that point. So that's the approach that we took in 2026. So everything we've been doing has been super intentional, from the books that we're publishing, the way we're publishing them, what's in the books, and just everything overall from our finances, because that's the biggest thing.
yep.
It's a cash flow business,
That's
right?
awesome.
You need to have enough funds to run ads next month, because there's a 60-day wait period until you get paid. So it's organizing the finances. We got into an agreement where, hey, I don't have to go to your parents every single week to eat dinner. I can take that time and put it into business, but it's only temporarily. If you see me not doing what I'm supposed to, call me out, and guess what? I'll be going to your parents every single day if I have to. The thing that we're delaying on, I'll have to do that in an extreme
Yeah,
level. So the biggest click is just the level of intentionality that we have,
yeah.
because the kids are always going to grow. Last year they did one sport. This year they're doing two. Um,
Mhm.
Life just keeps getting busy. So it's getting organized, putting our finances in place, and having a vision and just locking in, and then just focusing on that vision.